So friends, this is Alvaro with the channel Uniquely Mary giving a report on my trip in New Mexico. And it has not really been the best trip. So right now, as we're kind of cutting to some B-roll of my drone footage, I'm just going to be sharing about what's been going on. So yeah, this has not been the best trip. So a few things that happened. First, we started off on Thursday. So I ordered a new camera lens that I wanted to arrive just in time for the trip. And I tried to make all these arrangements, I tried to fix all these things, and I was not able to get it. The camera lens, it's supposed to be a smaller lens so I can kind of take better pictures and carry my camera around everywhere. So that did not arrive, so I made all those all those arrangements for nothing. Then the day of our trip, when we were leaving, the car would not start, and I thought, okay, this is just adding up. So the battery was dead, and it was kind of raining, sprinkling a little bit. We had left the car on with the lights on. So that was sort of happening. We went on our trip, and everything, I guess, was okay from there. And then we got in early. We got to the hotel, which was fine. But then that night, we went to eat at this seafood restaurant, and normally I'm vegan, so I was trying to do some slightly different things. And the restaurant, they took forever. The food was cold, it was expensive, and when we complained to them, they just gave us a 10% discount, which was maybe like $10. So the ticket was still $100, so we left a bad review, because normally, I don't normally leave really good reviews, but that was so depressing. And then on top of that, as you can tell, I'm sick, so I have a cold, and my baby daughter has a cold. So we came here to Carlsbad to see the Carlsbad Caverns, which I couldn't go see because we were going to get up early to get in for like a walk-in tickets at 7:30. And so my wife and all them went, but me and my baby daughter had to stay. So they went. So I'm missing the Carlsbad Caverns, which is one of the reasons why we're in Carlsbad. So then we were just hanging out. And after a while, I decided to go fly my drone, which is the footage that you're seeing right now. And these batteries that it has are supposed to last 30 minutes, but then it'll just sort of start dying out of nowhere, especially when the wind is really high. So I was flying it, and then it said that the battery was critically low, which normally I can take it back to where I am. But it died mid-flight, and it landed like in some kind of cactus fields, maybe like about a mile out. So I had to take my baby daughter in the stroller, and we were going there, and I didn't realize it was private property. Yeah, it gets better. And so we were in, these guys were like, do you know that this is private property? And my daughter's here crying. And I said, please, sir, I lost my drone. And I was just praying. I was saying, Jesus, come on. This has been bad enough. Let me get my drone back. I was able to get my drone back. The guy went and he found it. I don't know how he found it. But we're hoping we get some better restaurants. We're hoping we're able to do some things and feel better. So this is just an update. I wish I had better things, and I'm wondering, why is God allowing some of these bad things to happen? Maybe perhaps there's some graces down the line. So please pray for me. Hopefully I'll be able to share some more exciting things as we head into Santa Fe. So my friends, thank you for joining me in today's video. I'll see you in the next one.